Hello, my name is Sanya. I am a psychologist and I would like to ask you some questions. Do you feel tired, exhausted, frustrated, overwhelmed? Do you struggle with your everyday life, with decisions you have to make, with obligations you have? Do you feel like you can't cope with all those negative emotions that you have, that you feel, and with all that lack of motivation? Do you feel like you can't take it anymore and like you don't have a control over your life, over your feelings, over your thoughts? If your answer is yes, that means that you probably are under the stress. And that means that this course can help you. Because stress can literally kill us. Stress can really damage our life. And let's see how.
Instant stress response is not going to kill us. It is there to protect us. But long-term stress is very, very harmful for our health. And so many organs are involved in this process, like heart, blood vessels, lungs, gut, liver, nervous system, endocrine system. Actually, the system that is in charge when we perceive some situation as dangerous is called hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, HPA axis. The hypothalamus stimulates our pituitary gland. That gland produces a hormone called adrenocorticotropic hormone, and that is the signal for adrenal glands to produce epinephrine, which is adrenaline, and glucocorticoids. That means glucose plus cortex plus steroid. Glucocorticoids are involved in feedback mechanism of the immune system, which reduces certain aspects of immune function, such as inflammation. So that is how stress indirectly can affect on allergies, asthma, and autoimmune diseases. Cortisol, the famous cortisol, is one glucocorticoid. What is really important information is that cortisol will be released for several hours after encountering the stressor. Cortisol increases blood pressure and cardiac output, providing more blood to our skeletal muscles. Cortisol is there to provide everything we need to deal with some physical challenges and give support to our immune system when we have to heal from some injury, for example. But elevated cortisol level is connected with diseases. It's connected with suppressed immune system response, so we are more susceptible to infection and viruses. It is also connected with diabetes type 2, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. Cortisol helps liver to convert glycogen into glucose in order to free fatty acids to supply our fuel, so we can get the quick energy we need. That's how our HPA axis and immune system communicate to help us when it's really needed. But when we talk about long-term stress, this communication can be impaired, and that is the bad impact that stress have on our health.
So that's why stress management skills are very important for us. Because if we want to stay healthy physically and mentally, we have to work on stress. All those skills that you will learn in this course are not just skills, tools, and methods that you can use for stress. Those are life skills. Everything that you will be learning in this course is applicable on so many areas and aspects of your life. For example, you will be able to learn about time management skills, how to organize your mind, how to organize your stuff, how to organize your space, how to make decisions. And you will be able to learn something that is very crucial for our life and for our mental health, and something that is the center of every therapy. If you ever went to the therapist, you will maybe recognize that. So you will be learning how to be your own therapist. We will learn about irrational beliefs. We will learn about how to reshape our beliefs, how to reshape our perspective, how to reshape our thoughts. What are all the points of view? How can we see life? How can we see decisions? How can we see situations? How can we see ourselves? I can promise you, you will completely change the opinion of yourself, because that's what happens to me. And that's what happens to all my clients that I work with in my counseling and coaching practice. When you implement those skills, you will be able to manage your life, to manage your emotions, to manage your stressors, to organize your life and time, and to make decisions without frustration. So this course is designed to be your guide through the stressful situations, and it will give you the tools that will be very effective when you are in that battle between the stress. But also this course is designed to change your life, because everything which you will be learning here is applicable on every area of your life. So if you answered on those questions at the beginning of the video with yes, then I think that this course can be helpful for you, and I hope you will give me the opportunity to help you. Let's go.